Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will take you through a full logo design project, from start to finish. You will see me sketching, then I will show you how to make a grid system for your logo sketch. And you will see much more of my logo design process. So make sure to watch the video carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find it in the tutorial, and I will pick the best 3 comments, and I will mention them in the next tutorial video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you didn't yet, and have a nice watching. Okay, I received a message from my client through Instagram. And he messaged me that he needs a logo for his real estate company. And his company name is VOC Real Estate Company. After that, I send his a logo design form to get some informations about his company. When I'm designing a logo for my clients, I always send this form to them to get some specific info about their company or logo. Okay, I have got these information from my clients. His logo name is VOC Real Estate. And he also provides others important information about his company that helped me to design his logo. I always read clients' information more than 3 times to understand what he actually wanted from me. So I suggest everyone, always read your client's brief very carefully. After reading client's information, I make a mind mapping, and try to create various concepts about my client company. After mind mapping, I'm going to Google for find some inspiration about this company logo. There are huge design that help you find some ideas. And I downloaded some best design for my logo design inspiration. Also you can check Pinterest for getting better inspirations. After searching Google and Pinterest, I find these inspiration for my design. And while I'm searching design on Google and see a lot of designs, I have found some ideas about my client design. Now I'm going to sketch my logo design idea. So this is final sketch of the logo. Now I'm going to vectorize the design. So first I rotate the design. And decrease the opacity. I think 40% is perfect. Now lock the sketch, so that I can't move when I'm designing. For a lock, go Object, and select Lock, and lock it. First take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Copy the line by hold Alt, and make total 4 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Again take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Now go Transform, and rotate it equal to your design angle. I think 35 degree is perfect. And place it like that. Now select the line, and click on right button of mouse, and select Transform, and select Reflect, and copy it. Also place the line perfectly on your sketch. Now select the 2 lines, and make it group. And copy it. For copy go Object, and select Copy, and again go Object, and select Paste in place. Now go Transform, and make 35 degree. Okay, that's perfect. Now place it equal to your sketch. Also reverse the rotate 2 lines like that. Okay, that's good. Now select the 2 lines. And make it middle align center, and group it. Also select the 4 lines. And make it vertical align center, and group it. Now select the 2 grouped lines, and make it middle align center. And group it. Now place the lines perfectly on the sketch. Now I'm going to make middle design of the logo, but for that, I need some equal distance lines in the gap. But how can I make equal lines in the gap? First, you need to count how many lines need to cover the gap. I think 6 lines is perfect. So take Rectangular tool, and draw a rectangular equal to the 2 lines like that. If you think your rectangular is not perfect with the 2 lines, you can check through outline mode by press Ctrl Y. I think that's perfect. So go back normal mode by press Ctrl Y. Selecting the rectangle, go Object, and select Path, and select Split into Grid, and take 6 columns. Okay, that's good. I think, by this process, you can easily make lines with specific gap. Now copy 2 lines by hold Alt. Now I need to draw a line equally both sides. So take Rectangular tool, and draw a rectangular equal to your sketch. Copy the rectangular by hold Alt, and place it here like that. Now select the lines, and rotate it equal to your sketch. Now place it here like that. If you face trouble to place it perfectly, go outline mode, and place it perfectly like that. Also place here like before. Now select the line, and make it reverse like it. And place this lines perfectly like that. That's good. I think I have covered the sketch by lines. Now I need to draw the design over the lines. So select all lines. Also turn off stroke color. And take Shape Builder tool, and turn on fill color. And carefully draw the design like that. Be carefully while you are designing over the lines. If you skip any part of the design, your design will not be perfect. Okay, that's good. I have designed the logo perfectly. Now move the design above from the lines. For that, select your design by hold Shift, and move it. Okay, that's fine. Now unlock the sketch. For unlock, go Object, and select Unlock All. Now delete everything without the design. Okay, that's good. So friends, now I'm typing my client's logo name. My client's logo name is VOC Real Estate. Select the logo name, and select best font for the design. I use Rollway fonts for the design. Friends, my clients want to use blue gradient color on his logo, and he also provides this image as a color symbol. So I copied the color from the image, and I also used the color on this logo. So friends, that's the final logo design for my clients. If you want, I will make a presentation video about the design. Thank you for your attention. I hope I helped you with this video, so don't forget to comment with the most valuable information you find it. Push the like button and subscribe if you didn't yet. See you in another video.